what we're doing here, we are having a choir dispute, and two choir members are arguing over who should be the lead singer. So Beyonce and Kelly Rowland. The division affects the worship team and how we are going to resolve that conflict. Okay? So here we have the Singing Hills Choir. We are a world-renowned choir. We sing all over the world. And we're just going to show you what we do in our practices. Okay? Why we have become the world-renowned choir.
All right.
Choir? All right. Let's get ready. Let's get in our positions, choir. Please sit up. We're just going to say a simple hallelujah. All right. Ready? We have our altos, our sopranos, our tenors. Watch me. When I lift my hands up, we're singing a simple hallelujah. Ready?
No, you're kidding me. We'll get here tomorrow. But breakfast is
I feel something.
Is it the wind you're feeling?
Nah.
Grab him, Brett. Grab him.
He was biting.
Yeah, he probably going with your bait.
Two of us make catch today and man like
Man, don't let him get away, Marcus.
You have to time the drive, bro.
Hey!
They want a bigger.
Hold it, Marcus. Come, let's take picture. Come, picture.
So we can take a picture.
That's a big one that you saw?
Yes, sir.
What? He munched on you. That's crazy.
Hold on, Marcus.
Alright, I'm liking behind now.
All right.
Get him, get him.
Nice.
Pay it up, pay it up.
Okay.
Yeah, man. No one has a pot.
Vert. Hey, look here. Hold on, man.
Hey.
See bucket, bring the bucket, come.
You know, hold the fish right, man, if you cool him close to the head.
Where my fish at, man?
Brett, you need to go lower.
Yo, girl.
Nice one, yes.
No, come back here.
Yeah, these surface level fish, I'm not messing with them no more. We going to
Well,
the
you
depth.
gotta go deep.
You wanna come up, look.
I guess he stopped biting. Yeah, he ate it off.
Oh, yeah.
He liked it too much.
Yeah.
What do you put on it? Like a fake worm?
No, it's hot. We got some hot dogs that we took
Real hot dog? Ah,
from dinner last night.
okay.
Where's the beta?
Oh, it's getting cold down here.
Change it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, we have 1 hour to have the breakfast.
All right.
So we're going to start to walk up. So, yeah.
Yeah. We already caught, so we're good.
Back in the days when man I got see go catch someone go in line. Man,
Yeah, man. Them a fancy pole.
man, I got some drawers sideways.
You feel like by the station. They can drive in kite.
That man, if person can't get and go to go shoot them, you know.
Yeah. Now, fish good?
Yeah, man, the man can't stand there. Look where cheese goes. Look where cheese goes.
Nice. So
I rock. What's in the rock, man?
There they are.
yeah, they hiking. They do
No,
their own
let's
hike.
leave them.
The body is wearing the right shoes, is what.
Slippers.
But it probably don't work.
Some of them yes, it's just not around, you know.
Yes.
Big one.
Yeah, it's gonna
Hard
rain.
like stone.
My girl come in, man.
It's gonna
Go
rain.
exercise.
It's gonna rain.
I think that one that sounds slow. Man. I say, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. I know something now, and I thought I'm gonna ring it.
I couldn't get the fish.
I'm gonna ring the bell. And one man say, no. You know when Salman go up sleep, they just pretend you're Salman go up in front of jump over. And people say them play Salman and jump over the cliff in the water. So them play Salman at school, jump on the pool, and this guy hit somebody in the head. Then game for when I play the game, I look up at the man. Go play either make a little box truck or something. Marble. Kite, marble, toy. I want to play some game. I want to where them get them game from the world. Salmon. Who can be the best salmon? I jump from.
Better luck next time.
Birds come with ducks, man.
Got a 0. I got a goose egg today. Shit.